prospective judges. The first time in the history, 29 years I swore in a lady chief judge, Justice Mwamibu, as she then was. And again, it's my pleasure to swear in Honorable Justice Onochie Manasseh Ayatollah, a very fine gentleman, a very distinguished lawyer. I'm really happy to perform this function. In his acting capacity, he has shown me a lot of, he gave an insight into what his leadership will be for the bar bench. I also recognize, your worships, the magistrates that not being very learned, so you always raise them up. And of course the priests that are here. I am very happy to perform this function. Justice Daniel certainly will take the Anambra State Judiciary to a lofty height. In his acting capacity, he was lucky for us to have an appeal court. I believe that what he's writing is memoir. You can't deny that privilege, if you will. And I believe again he is going to, I have invested time and money in assisting the judges in terms of